Hello everyone, so I hope you all are doing very well, and here in this session we are going to discuss about types of research design. So basically if we are going to elaborate it, then we are going to discuss here about exploratory research design, about descriptive research design, about casual research design, about experimental research design, and thereafter we are going to discuss about hypothesis construction, that is null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So let's start the discussion. Basically, if we talk about exploratory research type of design, here exploratory research aims to explore a subject or problem in an initial or preliminary manner. It is often conducted when little prior knowledge or understanding exists about the research topic. So basically, exploratory research design is very helpful for generating the new knowledge, to expanding the existing base of the knowledge, or we can say that to discover new insights of any particular topic. So exploratory research design will help us to design new research problems, new research questions, likewise that, right? If we talk about descriptive research type of design, then in descriptive research it seeks to provide an accurate portrayal of a specific situation, phenomenon, or population. It focuses on describing the characteristics, behaviors, and relationships of variables without manipulating or intervening in any way. So basically, if we talk about descriptive research design, the complete focus here is to collect the data by different methods like surveys, questionnaires, interviews, and one-to-one questions, through many group discussions. So they only need to get very informative kind of data so that they can make certain decisions on them. So descriptive research designs are basically helpful for determining the characteristics or the behavior or the relationships of the variables, and into the depth of that into the depth of a particular topic, right? If you want to know, we can go with the descriptive research design. Thereafter, if we talk about casual research design, casual research aims to establish a cause and effect relationship between variables. It investigates whether change in one variable lead to change in another variable or not. So basically here we can talk about, we can manipulate independent variable here, and we can check the effect of manipulating independent variable on dependent variable by controlling some certain factors, right? And thereafter we can deduct the results or the conclusions on the basis of that. So that is under causal research design. And if we talk about experimental research design, here experimental research is a controlled approach to study cause and effect relationship. Here also we manipulate the independent variables, and we just observe the results on the dependent variables, but these methods can be conducted via experimental research, in lab research, or quasi experimental methods, and with the help of that we can just determine the relationship between the variables, right? Now if we talk about hypothesis construction, then the hypothesis construction process is crucial in ensuring a clear and testable research question, right? If we talk about null hypothesis, that we can write it like HO, right? Null hypothesis is usually stated as a statement of no difference or no effect. Whereas if we talk about alternative hypothesis post the presence of a relationship, difference, or effect between the variables. So in alternative hypothesis, we assume that there is a relationship or differences or effect between the variables, whereas in null hypothesis, there is no difference or no effect of the statement on the research studies, right? So they are just, you can say that significant topics that are under types of research design that I have discussed here. So if you are having any doubts or any queries, you can meanwhile ask, right?